Welcome to the fourth screencast in the series, Import Notes to the ContentNote object with Data Loader, brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe. In this video, we're going to learn how to relate the inserted note to a parent record using Data Loader. Once the note is inserted, we need to relate it to the parent record. Since the note is stored in content, we need to insert a record to the Content Document Link table in order to do this. Create a new CSV file with the following columns: Content Document ID, Linked Entity ID, Share Type, and Visibility. Open the success log from the note import from the third screencast and populate the Content Document ID column in the new file with the ID value from the success files for the notes that you want to relate to records. In this screencast, I'll use these three records. Populate the Linked Entity ID column with the ID of the record that you want to relate the note to. For simplicity, I'll relate all of these to the same account. If you have several accounts, you may need to export a list of record IDs and match the account to the notes based on your own criteria. Set the share type and visibility fields as desired. Repeat as needed for further records, and then save your file. Note you can only specify the values I or V for the standard objects, since type C is not supported. In this file, I'll set the records as I, which means the user's permission is determined by the related record. For visibility, I'll enter all users, which means the file is available to all users who have permission to see the file. For more information on valid values for these fields and their function, review the link at the bottom of the screen. We've also put this link in the short description of this video for you. Open Data Loader, click Insert, enter credentials, click Login, and click Next. Check the box next to Show All Salesforce Objects. Select Content Document Link from the list of available objects. Click Browse and select the CSV created previously. Click Next. When the Data Selection Initialization dialog appears, confirm the number of records is correct and click OK. Click Create or Edit a Map, and the Mapping dialog box will appear. Click Auto Match Fields to Columns. The column names should match up if entered correctly. If not, then drag the fields down to the column mapping. Click OK once done, and click Next. Select a place where to save the success and error files, which can be easily accessed. Click Finish and Yes to proceed. A dialog box will appear with the number of successes and errors. Let's check if the notes are related to the account. Log into the org, go to the account, and scroll down to the Notes Related list. And notice the 3 notes have been created and associated to this record. Please keep in mind that in order to follow these steps, you'll need system administrator permissions. If you're interested in inserting notes via Data Loader, please contact your system administrator for assistance. For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.